Okay guys, today I'm going to show you my HID. I have buy a new one and try to replace it, but it's still not able to work. And then I discovered that the old HID bulb is kind of, I'm not sure you can see this or not, this is already burned, and this caused the so-called igniter, which is connected to the HID bulb like that. So that have caused the igniter. This is called an igniter, which is sort of a big kahuna connector, which they call it as an igniter. And you can see that it's already burned the igniter itself already. So you have to change this one before you get the bulb to be working again. Okay, I have the new bulb in the car already. Later I show it to you. I have removed this already. I will show it to you in a reverse manner where how I actually managed to get this one out. It is actually by removing the there's a hook on the cable itself. There's a hook that actually hook onto this edge over here. So all you need to do is use a flat screwdriver and poke the hook over here so it can be released onto this side over here. Later I'll show it to you how I install it, and you'll get the idea how to actually remove this igniter from the cable itself. So the good one actually will look something like that. So the good one will actually look something like that. So this is brand new, and this costs almost like from this authorized distributor is almost like 150 USD. So make sure that you don't left this damaged burn bulb in the car too long. If it's too long, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna spend 150 USD just to get it replaced. Okay, we come to the car over here. So as you can see, we if you can check out my previous video, this is how I actually remove it. Like that. This is how I remove it. So as you can see, there is a connector over here. So as you can see, there's a connector over here. I'm not sure where I can zoom inside enough or not. So the connector is this one over here. So there is a sort of like a leg over here that you need to connect to the edge over there, over here itself. The edge over here, the edge over here. So the connector need to be going into this direction. Sorry, can't really show this one properly because the spacing here is kind of narrow and it will block the whole wheel the whole wheel itself. I'll show it to you when it's fully installed. Okay, so now it's fully installed. So the connector will look something like that. Let me turn it a bit for you to see in another angle, then you get the idea. So the metal piece, there's a metal piece on the connector itself, so that faces in that direction, and the black piece part over here with the leg over there. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not. So this portion here, you have to use a flat screwdriver to release the leg of the connector, and then you pull it out as to the orientation that I mentioned to you, in this way itself. Well, the other thing is that I also bought this rubber boot. This rubber boot cost almost like a 6 USD. So the part number, I'll share it to you on the receipt itself. Okay, there you go. So it's almost like 6 USD. That is in RM. So those are the part numbers.